Welcome to this channel. Please enable to subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video. Also, once you're done with this video, you can comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you. So we'll be looking at how to design this design, how to design a very nice and captivating certificate with Pixellab. So all you will do is I will change this to a normal default size. You can just delete the new text here. Then you go to image size and then change the width to 7 and select the height to be 5. Okay, so this is the size of the certificate. We are going to change the background of this, so you just tap here and then tap on color. You'll be selecting a white color, a plain white. Good. And then you tap here, go to shapes, select this shape. I can just change the color to this. Sorry, the color of the shape. You can just go down to color, enable this. But I'll be importing a material for my gallery here. So I can just import from gallery. You can check the description for these materials. This is the material I'll be importing. I'll just mark, sorry, I'll just mark good. And then I'll reduce the size of this. And place it here. Good. So this is not the red I'll be using for this design, so I'll pick the color of this way. I'll just go down to color. It's already in color, so I'll tap on the plus button and then tap here, select this, and then move this icon to here, to this direction. I'll move it to this. I'll move it to this place so that it will be giving me the golden color. I just mark good. Okay, so you can see that this shape now has a similar color with the badge. So you can just adjust the size of this shape to fit in to the size of the interface we are working with, and just reduce it. I'll mark good. I can use this relative position to make sure it's at the middle. Good. So I'll copy this same shape. I'll copy it and then apply the same thing, make it to be at the middle, but this time around I'll change the color to white. Good. Then I'll reduce the size. Go to size, reduce the size. As you're reducing the size, you'll be making use of the relative position to make sure it's at the middle, and just increase the size a little. Good. So I'll bring this up. Since this shape is already blocking it, I can just take it up. Good. So I'll adjust this and I'll place it here. Good. I'll lock this so it won't be moving about. All right, so I'll take another shape. So we can just tap, go to this edit, or we can just tap on this plus sign, select shapes. This time around I'll be picking this shape. Good. So I'll have to apply texture to this shape. So I'll go down to texture. This is texture, and then I'll select this badge. crop it out in a way that the golden color, because I want to make use of the golden color in this badge. So I can just crop it out. You can see what I'm doing. You can just crop it out and then mark good. Then go down to this texture again. I can just adjust this. Sorry, I'll have to reselect it in a way. Can just move this here, then mark good. Okay, so I will increase the size of this, but before then I will have to rotate it. I'll rotate it this way. Good. So I'll copy this, and then this time around I'll delete the texture and then use a color. Go to color, enable it. I can tap on this plus sign, then select this color. This is the color I'll be making use of. So I'll select it from here. Okay, good. I'll move this also to this place. Move this here. Good. I can just let me adjust the texture a little bit. Good. So I'll copy this, and then move it to be under this, and then adjust it this way. Good. So I'll then merge these shapes together. So I can just tap here, select this, then select the ones I'll be merging together, and then I'll merge them. Okay, so I'll copy this, go down to 3D rotate. I'll rotate it in the y-axis this way to 180 degree. Sorry. Good. Then position it here. Can just adjust this a little. Then adjust this also. Good. So the next thing I'll be adding here is the text. I can just go to this A, select text, which is the certificate, the reason the certificate is being issued out. So this is certificate. Okay, so I'll go down to font, select this font, make this bold, or better still, leave it this way. Go to color, and then I'll choose this red that I'm making use of. Then increase the size. Increase the size here. You can use this to position it at the menu. Good. So I'll take another text, go to text, bring this down and edit off. Then I'll change the font. I'll use this. Then increase the padding and change the color also to this red. I can increase the size a little, then place it here. Then I'll take this text, copy it, and edit it. This time around, I'll be adding achievements. Okay. Then I'll change the color of this to black. Good. And just reduce the size a little. Alright. So I'll be adding something else here. I'll just take shapes. I can pick this as the color. Then do it this way. And then mark good. I'll pick another shape. This time around, I'll be picking a triangle. Change the color to this. Good. Can reduce it this way, reduce the width this way, and then you rotate it. Place it at one edge, copy it, rotate it again, and then place it at the other edge and merge them together. Merge these three together. So you go down to erase color, enable it, make this icon to select this. So you erase this reddish color. Good. Reduce the size and increase the width. Then I will use this to place it at the middle, or better still, I won't use it. So I'll add the necessary text I'll be adding here. I can just go to A, select text, and then edit it. This is to certify that go down to AB font and then select this font again. Make it bold and select the color to be black. Good. Place it here and increase the size in such a way that it will try to cover this. Good. Good. So I'll be taking another thing here. I'll be taking another shape, change the color to black, and then increase the width and reduce it this way. Good. Bring it down and reduce the size. Can reduce the size, adjust it again. Good. So I can copy this line, copy it, and then move it down. And just reduce the size. Reduce the size a little, and then shift it. Good. So I'll copy this. Move it down again. Can just shift it this way. Good. Let me adjust this. And then adjust this too. So I'll copy this font. I'll tap here, then select this off, and then copy it. Once you copy it, you edit it. This is the place for signature. Can reduce the size, place it here, and then copy it also. Move it down and edit. This is the place for date. Good. So the next thing I'll be adding here is just the little congratulatory message. So I can just pick another text, edit, has completed and achieved his next entrepreneurial entrepreneurship step as an emerald director in NLBC International. We pledge you to be outstanding and disciplined, and disciplined in all ramifications of building your business, of building your more Stepping up is assured for you. Okay, so I'll align this to the middle, reduce the size, and adjust it a little. Then change the color to black. Good. So the last thing we'll be adding here is the name of this organization. So I can just edit this, NLBC International. Reduce the size, sorry, reduce the size, and then reduce the spacing between the two letters. Then you move it here. Still increase the spacing, and then reduce the size a little. Good. So we are done with the design of this certificate. You can just save this design to your gallery by tapping here. Save it as image. You can save with PNG and Ultra, or you save with Medium rather. So we're done with this design. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is really useful to you, if you learned something new from this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Also comment on how useful this video is to you. Like this video also, and follow up on more of our videos, so you'll be able to gain more knowledge about graphic design. So thank you so much once again for being here. I'll be expecting you in the next video. Thank you.